Indulging in my aircraft enthusiasm this morning, I'm at Chino taking in the Planes of Fame Air Museum. In particular, the P-26 that's here, a P-26 Peashooter built in the mid-30s. One of the first modern, and that's in quotes, aircraft that the Army Air Corps got. They're moving this aircraft to Santa Maria, so this is the last opportunity to see it in Chino. The nicest part about these special events at Planes of Fame is that they normally include reenactors. The great thing about having reenactors at events like this is it really brings the history alive. Kind of get a sense of the period this aircraft was in. Well, the winds are too high today to actually do a flight of the P-26, but they are going to start up the engine, and considering how historic this aircraft is, yeah, don't take any chances. The P-26 actually uses a hand crank to start the engine. It's actually kind of an interesting thing to watch. Basically, one person's turning the crank, starting the flywheel, and then the pilot engages the engine. You never know what you're going to see at Planes of Fame. They actually brought a MiG-15 outside to do some maintenance on. It was really cool to watch them hook up external power and run their pumps. Kind of reminds me of my days on the tarmac during flight testing. You have to wait for all these tests to be done before you can take the picture. Kind of neat.